Here's a storm for 3 hours. Ugh. Help me, Lord. You can see that? There is just water everywhere. It's... Let me get a better flashlight. Yeah, that's much better. See all that water damage all over my stuff. It's all over here. It's on this floor. And it's back here. So yeah, it's gonna be fun to clean up. It's kind of weird that my mom's like, yeah, well, I can't deal with that right now. So, because I gotta get to bed. It's like, really? You gonna leave all this water all day long? Like, seriously, if I didn't see it, you wouldn't know anything. And then if my nephew comes over, he sees it, he's gonna want to play in it. Talk about it. See that? I'm in tears because my negatives are ruined. Hopefully they're not ruined, but I don't know if I should try and take them out, let it dry, then take them out, try and take them out, because I'm afraid if I pull them, maybe it's gonna ruin the negatives. I don't know. What do you guys suggest? See this? This is a poster of mine that was inside this Domino's pizza thing. I don't know how I got this. And it's got a little damage, so I gotta be careful with it. Let it sit out to dry, but Aaron gotta go wet. You can see that. What happened there? I'm gonna put Aaron right there to somewhat dry. But a lot of my posters from the 90s are like in there, and they got wet. And it was like, oh no. So hopefully they dry the way they are, and they're perfectly fine. All I can say is after this flood, I just got a reality fucking check. That floods can happen, things get ruined. Get your shit off the floor. And half the stuff that got ruined, I'm like, did I really need this stuff? And I'm like throwing it away now in this trash can. Like, was that stuff important to me? Why did I keep it? It just got ruined and wet. At least my family's okay. I'm okay. The flood didn't rise up too high and I not know and die. But now every time it rainstorms like this, I'm going to have to check. Not only do I have to check the drain out here, which is still draining. Because back in the day, a long time ago, there was a flood right here that was all over our kitchen. Now there's one. These are cassette tapes gotta be thrown out because they're ruined. And I'm about to just cry. I'm just about to just cry. I know I shouldn't get emotional about this because there's people out there that lose more than what I lost, but still, it just gave me a reality check is all I'm saying. I got it all cleaned up. If you can see some of that, we don't know what this white stuff is. It's gonna rain again tonight, so we're hoping no floods. So yeah. Trying to clean up the mess. There's buggies and spiders there. She wants to raise those up. Good luck. They're heavy. So we put those on so it can dry. pretty high up, as you can see. And we did the same thing there. And there and there. And we're about, their 7th, we're about to go. It's June 6th, 2015. I go to work Monday, which for 3 weeks, which sucks. We're gonna do some garage sailing, and then we're gonna see my grandpa, aunt, and cousin. And that's what it looks like outside. So not too bad. And then we moved that there, which I don't know why. She did it once before, and then she moved it here. So I don't know. She wants to get rid of it, but I don't know. Oh man, I would step right in a puddle.
I brought her some butt paste.
You did?
Some what?
Hella work gives me. She had some.
I don't know if he died or what. He said they found, they went down there and they went down there pretty often. They went down here and found him
Or something like
It could
that.
have been really hairy if
Playing with Paula and just about there.
So yeah, we'll have to. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Oh, look at the butterfly. Oh, where'd that butterfly go? He looks like our kitty cat. Tiger. You look like our Kiki. You look like our Kiki. Yes, you. Getting me so far. I'm at Best Buy, as you can see. Looks like all they got is, oh, there's some of their DVDs. I was gonna say, what's their DVDs? Anyways, I'm gonna look through this. Too bad it's 37 bucks. Question is it worth it? Let me know. Look, it's selfie sticks. There's one for 19, one for 24. Not that I need them. Target. I'm gonna go to the book section. Ooh, Starbucks! I'm gonna go to the book section, which is way down here, and go see if they got Joey Casefa's book, because Joey said it was in a Target. But our Target hasn't been having books. Like, it didn't have Shane Dawson's, so like, I doubt they'll have Joey Casefa's, but we'll see. Oh my god, for like 20% off. At that price, they have it. Oh my god. I am like, I can't believe it. Oh my god. They got Joey's book. Okay, they can have Joey's book, but they can't have Shane Dawson's. What the fuck? And if you're a Connor Franta fan, they got his book here too. That's what I think it is. Yeah, it is. Joey's friend, Alfred. They can have Alfred. They can have Connor Franta. They can have this. They can have all those people, but no iJustine or Shane Dawson. Not that I like iJustine, but couldn't they we used to have Shane Dawson's book without looking
At the same time?
at DVDs. Just can't believe they don't have Shane Dawson's book. They have Joey's. They don't have I Justine's either, but I don't like I Justine. I went to Five Guys to eat, and this is what they do with the fries. They put them in a cup and then they spill them all over. How rude. So stupid. But you can get free peanuts. Then we got Cajun, which are the hotter ones in here. They look like this. So yeah. And then we're paying Timo our phone bill, and then we're gonna go home and eat, and then I'm gonna go to that one Tomahawk's 24-hour live stream and watch his live stream 24 hours. I was hoping to make it home by 5, but I didn't see that happening because I was trying to help my grandpa work on his computer. It was updating, and then all of a sudden it said cannot update, so we're undoing it, and then it was taking forever, so I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I just wanted to let you know that Five Guys is a weird place. Take me to church again? Are you serious? We just heard that earlier.